Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Desi pull-up bar at home. First, gather your materials. You'll need sturdy metal pipes, like galvanized steel, and strong connecting brackets or flanges. Make sure these components are robust enough to support significant weight, ideally over 200 pounds, for safety. Also, carefully measure the space where you plan to install it, whether it's a doorway or a wall, to determine the correct length for your bar. Now, let's assemble the frame. Begin by securely attaching your main horizontal pipe to two vertical support pipes. These vertical pieces will form the structure that holds the bar. Use heavy-duty bolts and nuts for every connection point to ensure maximum strength. It's crucial to confirm that all joints are extremely tight and stable. A wobbly connection is a safety hazard. Take your time with this step. With the frame assembled, it's time for installation. Mount the entire structure firmly to a solid wall stud or a sturdy door frame. Use appropriate heavy-duty anchors or long screws that penetrate deep into the support. Once installed, perform a gradual weight test. Slowly apply your weight, then full weight, to ensure the bar can safely support you without any creaking or movement. Safety is paramount. To ensure your Desi pull-up bar lasts for many years, regular maintenance is key. Periodically inspect all connections for any signs of loosening, wear, or rust. Tighten any bolts that feel less than secure and clean the bar surface to prevent corrosion, especially if it's in a humid environment. A well-maintained bar is a safe bar. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those amazing socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.